Welcome to our tutorial about using master pages. The concept of the master page works like this. You create a single page, let's say with a company logo, navigation buttons, and so on. And this is your master page. It's got a section inside it where the rest of the pages will load during the assembly process. Let's begin by creating a master page. Click Add New Item. Choose Master Page from the list of templates. Make sure your language is Visual Basic, accept the default name, and let's click Add. Here are some special ASP tags within the code. Content Placeholder. This is where it begins, and here's where it ends. The contents from the regular pages will be loaded here. Now let's click Add New Item and add a couple of regular pages. This time, check Select Master Page. Now let's enter a name. We'll call it Page 1 and click Add. We're prompted to choose a master page. We've only got one of this project, so let's accept the selection and click OK. You see that in the page directive is the path to our master page file. This attribute specifies the root website folder. The body for page 1 goes here, inside the content tag. Let's type some stuff within the paragraph tags. Here's some text. Page 1. This way we'll know we're on page 1 when we see it. And let's copy that. We'll be using that again. Now let's add a second page. We'll call it Page 2. Ensure that Select Master Page is checked as well. And click Add. Now we select our master page and click OK. And let's put some text here. We'll paste what we had on our clipboard previously, but we're going to change this reference to Page 2. Now let's go back to our master page, Design View, and let's insert a table. We'll make it 400 pixels and 3 rows by 1 column. OK. In the first row, let's enter company logo. In the last row, we'll enter some contact information, some kind of sample footer. While we've got this cell selected, let's align it to the center, and let's drag the contents of the block to the middle cell. Let's also select and delete this layer here. If you're using a form on the master page, be sure your contents block is located inside the master page. Go back to our code. As you see, the form starts here and ends at the bottom of the page. Let's view our page now. We'll right-click, select View in Browser. Yes. And there's company logo, the text we entered on the master page. Here's the contents of page 1. Let's go to page 2 now. The master page remains intact with logo and sample footer, but we do have the text that we'd pasted onto page 2. Let's close our application. And this concludes our tutorial on using a master page.